Feeling stuck between renovating your home or finding a new one? You're not alone. In 2025, more Sarnia homeowners are weighing the pros and cons of upgrading versus relocating. Hi, I'm Scott Leggett with Blue Coast Realty Brokerage. If your home isn't quite meeting your needs anymore, here's what to consider before you pick up a hammer or for sale sign. Start with your goals. Are you looking for more space, better layout, a more walkable neighborhood? Renovating might address some of these things, but it won't change your location or your lot size. Next, consider the cost. Renovation prices have climbed in Sarnia due to high demand and limited materials. A kitchen remodel or a home addition might cost more than you'd expect, but moving comes with expenses too. Closing costs, land transfer tax, and possible upgrades in the new home. Your neighborhood matters too. Will a renovation add value where you live? Some areas see stronger returns, and others may not justify the investment. Then there's the timeline. Renovating means living through construction. Moving involves packing, listing, and relocating. Which disruption can you manage? Market conditions are also key. Sarnia's balanced market in 2025 offers flexibility. If your current home has appreciated, you may be in a good position to sell and buy something better suited. Don't forget emotional attachment. Maybe your current home is full of memories, or maybe it's become a daily frustration. Be honest about what you need from your space moving forward. At Blue Coast Realty, we help you look at every angle, from free home evaluations to connecting with trusted contractors. We'll support you in making the best decision for your future.